Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AN Health Facts. Here is the special video that you are eagerly waiting for. In our remedy, we are going to use simple and easily affordable products. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare the remedy and also some benefits of the products that we are going to use. Without wasting the time, now let's go to the video. For this remedy, you need pepper powder, betel leaf, tulsi, cyanodendactylon, ginger, cumin oregano, lemon and water. Now let's see how to prepare this easy and beneficial remedy. Take 1 cup of water in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and stir it well. Add betel leaf, tulsi, cyanodendactylon, ginger, cumin oregano one by one to the water. Add half piece of lemon and boil the water well. After 10 minutes, strain the water using a strainer and drink it. Now let's know some benefits of the products that we are used in our remedy. The first one is pepper powder. It prevents any sort of cancer. It is good for digestion. It helps in treating skin problem. It is good for your hair. It reduces joint pain. The next is benefits of betel leaf. It is a leaf with lots of health benefits and medicinal uses. It provides instant relief from pain. It helps in digestion and reduces cholesterol, thus promoting weight loss. The next is benefits of tulsi. It is rich in antioxidant which helps in conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. It has linoleic acid which is extremely beneficial for skin. It acts as detoxifying, cleansing and purifying agent. Tulsi leaves have volatile and fixed oils which can help in fighting against allergies, infections and pathogens. It is also effective in treating itching and issues like ringworm. Next, we are going to see benefits of cyanodendactylon. It helps to cure acidity and helps to control sugar. It is rich in calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, protein and so on. It is used to enhance immunity and effective in curing bleeding gums. It helps to cure constipation and control obesity and thus helps in weight loss. The next is benefits of ginger. It has antioxidant properties which helps in preventing heart diseases, neurodegenerative disease, cancer and symptoms of aging. It helps in digestion and reduces cholesterol, thus promoting weight loss. The next is benefit of cumin oregano. It is highly aromatic perennial herb with lots of health benefits and medicinal uses. It is mainly used for treating fever, cold, cough and asthma. It can also be used for aiding weight loss, treating grey hair and dandruff, promoting hair growth. It also cures nasal congestion. In addition, these leaves are used for treating a variety of disorders and infections. The next is benefits of lemon. It promotes hydration and reduces weight loss. It is a good source of vitamin C. It improves the quality of skin. It prevents formation of stones in kidney. It freshens breathing and it aids digestion. Last but not the least, the next is benefits of water. It helps in maximizing physical performance and aiding weight loss. It increases brain function and helps in preventing headache. It also helps in treating stones formed in kidney. Now we have come to the end of our video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell button to get the notification whenever we upload our new videos. Also leave your comments. We have made this special video for thanking all our subscribers so far.